has my most popular slime. Okay. Mocha. It smells like lime similar, but the color gives mocha more to me. Here's a few seconds of the slime on its own.
And it'll blow it, blow it off, and it'll start spinning on its own.
Yeah.
There's been a couple times, like twice now,
Most slime,
where
not
I've
for
had to
sale,
take one of my
but
long ass stripping
still
things
useful.
and reach up and just kind of knock
Probably
on
put
the
it
thing a
in
little
because it smells like the oven.
to get the snow to fall off, because it's like,
Hot tub water. But this is the
but it didn't
stretch
know it's on
button.
today.
I'll show you the
It's
highest.
been sunny for like the last hour or two.
I can't do it anymore as I'll break my arms. But it's a very stretchy slime and very good.
Between that and it just sucking
Good
over
smelling.
11 miles an hour. So between the
Now
sun
it's time
shining
for the
and it
photos.
getting windy, Ben Affleck's like,
Alright, so
I need
my
you to,
next slime
you really hit that or whatever. And he's like, well, and Ben Affleck,
is one of my best
I
smelling.
haven't really, I really haven't made movies or any acting in like quite a while. And that Damon
It
kind of
smells
laughed
like
and he's
cotton
like, yeah, I
candy.
know.
And I
Because
don't know if it
Ben
smells like
Affleck
some
hasn't done shit
Yeah, I was gonna
maybe
say.
20 years.
Yeah.
to
Matt
probably
Damon's
Dippin'
always
Dots
making
cotton
movies.
candy because if you look close enough, there are little balls in here. Not that deep. Alright, now time for photos. The lighting's getting bad. It's time for the photos. Okay, so my next slime is strawberry. And this one actually smells like a strawberry, so that's good. So that's the stretch level. I forgot to make the last one. Oh, that one goes up to here. So this one goes as far as Mostas. And here's a close up look. Now it's time for photos, but the lighting's getting bad again. Let's do it. Alright, so our next slime is pumpkin. It kind of smells interesting. It makes me feel nauseous, but it makes other people feel good. So, this is how much this one stretches. Not as much as the others. Not very big.
Let me know if you see one fly away.
This is just
Let's go get it.
I feel like we're in like.
So that's the stretch. Now it's time for the close up. Right now it's time for the photos. Okay, so our next slime is Sky. So the stretch level for Sky is it's up to here. But it really exists to get that far, so
What? Oh, in the picture.
And it smells kind of like blue cotton candy, which I think it smells exactly like blue cotton candy. Some of the cotton candies smell like ones. So now it's time for the close up. Now it's time for photos. Okay, so next slime right now is going to be lavender. Lavender. Stretch level. And named it lavender because it smells and looks like a lavender. And a close up. Now it's time Since it's stretchable as this. Now it's time for the photos. Okay, and our next slime now is Coco. I named it Coco because it smells like cocoa powder. And this is my favorite smelling one. So stretch test. That's how big it is. What if I could stretch it as far as I could? There's like a big right here. Time for a close up. Now it's time for photos with my favorite slime. It smells so good. Okay. Last, we have a lemon. I think the tag came off, but I don't really care. So, lemon. It actually kind of smells like lemon. I really like it. Lemon is ones that have an accessory. Beautiful. Here's a charm instead of lemon. Oh yeah, and lavender also. Oh yeah, this is lavender. Yeah, that's lavender. Lavender also had. But this is lemon. And then we have the pineapple. So lemon. It's lemon stretch test. Oh wait, no, don't do it like that. I'll do the others. The lemon's my favorite. I just feel like T-posing. Okay. That's lemon. Now it's time for close up. Alright, now that we have that, we're gonna do the photos. Bye.
Now it's time for photography.
Bye.